Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the 5 realistic ways to make money online easily in 2022. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Well, if I can do it, then you can too. Be careful if you want to make money without having to work or even try very hard. There are lots of scams and schemes out there that want to take your hard-earned money. But if you follow these steps, you can make money online. 1. Upload footage from a GoPro. Get a GoPro or an iPhone camera and start walking around. People love to see neighborhoods, attractions, and people going about their daily lives in other countries. There's a big market for this kind of footage. Just do a quick search on YouTube and you will be surprised. 2. Instagram. I know that Instagram has been talked about a lot, but it's really easy to use. Find a niche that you look at every day, save the images, give credit to the original creators, and post them on your page. If you follow the people who follow a popular page, you will grow over time. Once you have a certain number of followers, people will pay you for shoutouts. You could also pay for a shout out at the beginning to help get your career off the ground. 3. Redbubble. This is one of my favorites. All you have to do is find art that can be changed in color and text. Upload it and wait for the money to start coming in. And if you are not creative, you can just post text or quotes. Society 6, TeePublic, and Zazzle are also great places. 4. Exchange traded funds. ETFs are a passive way to invest, which makes them easy to do. Investing in an ETF is a safe way to make money online, even if you don't care about the stock market. Basically, you are putting your money into a bunch of different companies under one ticker. 5. Teach. People are always looking for new ways to learn. You can always share your knowledge with others through your blog, website, or videos if you think it will help them. And if you can't think of anything else to do, you could always teach English. International students are always looking for ways to get better at communicating. So there you have it. 5 ways to make money online. Try them out and see if they work for you. I've had good luck with them, so maybe they will help you too. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.